In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple habit tracker in Trello. Whether you're opening Trello for the first time or brushing up your workflow, we'll set up a clean, repeatable system that keeps you on track every single day. Start by logging in and creating a new board called Habit Tracker. This board will be the home base for everything you want to build into your routine. Think of it as a living dashboard you'll visit each morning and evening. Next, set up 3 lists to mirror your daily flow. The first list is Daily Habits. This is where every habit card lives at the start of the day. The second list is In Progress. Whenever you're actively working on a habit, drag its card here so you can instantly see what's currently on your plate. The third list is Completed Today. As soon as you finish a habit, drop the card here. By the end of the day, this list becomes a visual snapshot of your wins. Now, add your habits as individual cards in the Daily Habits list. Keep each card specific and actionable, like drink 8 glasses of water or meditate for 10 minutes. For quick scanning, use Trello's color-coded labels to categorize your habits. You might tag health, productivity, or learning. Choose categories that reflect your priorities so you can balance your day at a glance. To track streaks and keep yourself honest, open a habit card and create a checklist named Weekly Progress. Add each day of the week, Monday through Sunday, as checklist items. As you complete the habit on a given day, check it off. This gives you a simple, satisfying record of consistency without cluttering the board. Repeat this checklist setup for each habit card, so every habit tracks its own weekly progress. As you move through your day, drag a habit from Daily Habits to In Progress while you're doing it, and then over to Completed Today when it's done. This simple movement gives you momentum and keeps your focus tight. Each morning, perform a quick reset. Drag all the cards from Completed Today back to the Daily Habits list. You're starting fresh with a clean slate, while your weekly progress checklists stay untouched, preserving your streaks for the week. That's it, a lightweight Trello system that turns intentions into action. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.